Don't in you.
Oh my God, what's his name?
Don't in you.
Potential kid.
No!
See your body shape nice, Yo, you got the black girl booty, bubble like the brewery. Love is not a crime.
What's up, guys? I'm Chaddy.
And I'm Danny.
You know we're here for a good
And
time.
a long time.
We are here for a good time.
And a long time.
Today we have a special video for you guys today, and it is called
Charades.
Jamaican Charades. We're going to be playing Jamaican Charades. Guess what, guys? I feel like this is going to be very competitive, but we're going to work as a team and see how much we can get. We're going to see if we can get at least 5 per round. 5 per round. We're gonna try to get 5 per round because this thing is hard, you know. Because it's like when your brain start clicking and not clicking. You know, like me, like sometimes my brain don't click.
Now. Okay, so this is actually an app you can download from the app store called Jamdung.
Yeah, and we're not getting paid to say this, but we actually like it because we saw it and it's like, yo, this is kind of fun.
And if you hear anything in the background, that's Chase.
Yeah, Chase is kind of sucking his finger right now. Bad boy right now. Smash the like button, comment down below, notification gang, notification squad. And if you want to be a part of the notification gang, you gotta hit the subscribe button to be a part of the family.
You gotta hit the bell.
Hit the bell, hit the like button, comment down below, notification Jamaica, notification which country you're from, notification Chase, notification boom bang bang tang tang tang. Alright, let's get right into the video.
Okay guys, so we're gonna hit play and we're gonna choose part 1. Ready?
Yeah, you're gonna do it, so
okay.
Let's see.
Okay. I don't know if you guys can see.
Let's see if Danielle can get this. Alright, it's on your forehead.
Okay, ready?
Yo, that you there.
Brother.
2 people standing over there.
Them there.
Yeah, there you go. Up next.
Oh.
Still going. You know, Jesus Christ.
Sit there.
Oh my God. Like, oh my God. Something right there.
Who there?
Yeah. Go, get it.
Oh. Slap.
No, something bite you.
Mosquito.
Yeah. Instead of what Jamaicans say for hi. When I youth say next youth. Or I try to heal him.
I don't know. Pass.
No, that was the easiest one.
Pass. Just go.
Blank, something must come.
Better.
Yeah. Pass. Oh, time up.
Oh shit, I put correct.
You get like 3 right, but it said 5, but we got like 3.
5.
Yeah, we got like 3 right.
3 because I actually put up.
She took a long time to change the thing going up. So
it's hard to get the hang of
the flip up. Yeah, the flip up is kind of hard to get. We're gonna do part 2 again, guys. Yeah, we need to come up with a better strategy.
We got 3 correct also.
Yeah, that was really bad. That is really bad. We got 6. It's hard, you know, because it's like you don't want to say the word in patois, so it's like you're trying to figure out the English word
and then in green time.
Yeah, we got this, Danielle. We got this. We gotta get 5 now, you know.
What?
Yeah, cry.
Ball.
Alright, yeah.
Oh, freak.
That's one, actually.
That's one.
Yo, no, that's stupid. Pass. This.
Yai.
But.
Ball. Yai ball.
Yeah. My something.
Fimi.
Go. Next. I have a condom. Condom in Jamaica is called what?
Boots.
Other word.
I don't know.
You don't know other word with a condom?
Condom. No, rubber.
Rubbers. Yeah, go. You got it. Somebody saying end the story.
Me done.
Alright, no, change that. Go. Go again.
Jesus.
Go again. It's so hard. Yo, them. Oh, I said the word. Alright, we fail. I failed.
Chad failed.
No,
okay,
it's because
we got 4 correct.
Yeah, we still didn't get 5. The reason why I couldn't say those words is because it's kind of hard to translate what would, you know, like what you'd have said.
I hope you guys can see the words clear.
Yes,
but
it's kind of hard.
But it's hard, but alright, your turn.
Alright.
We're going to play this deck again. Ready?
Alright, here we go.
Stand right there.
Don't move.
Right, stand up right there.
Oh my God.
Pass it.
Punch.
Next one. The next.
Tongue.
Mine.
Fimi.
You eat too much.
You yam too much.
Yeah, go. Just pass it. I don't know if to explain
Jesus
that one.
Christ.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
Thursday.
Yeah. Not you, not your father, you.
Muma.
Yeah. No, you just passed.
Oh well, go.
God.
Father.
No.
Almighty. Jah.
Yeah. Just go. It burning down.
Also Bondo.
No. The actual thing that burned the place down.
Fire.
Yeah. Just pass our time's up.
I think you passed this one,
You
guys.
passed like 2.
We got
So
one.
like 8.
We got like 8.
Well, it says 6.
6. Alright. So we passed it. Thank God. Thank God. If I never me and my
Okay,
brains.
alright. No. You are the dumpsters one. Okay, guys, we're gonna try another one. We're gonna play dancehall artists.
Yeah, that's the next category. We're gonna try to get 5 on this one. This is might be really hard and might be easy. Let's figure it
This might be
out.
hard for me.
Alright. Try to remember the songs.
Come on.
Next!
What?
Next! Name you put pass.
No, yeah, that's fast.
Big time old 90s artists.
Babe,
Just
come on.
think about artists.
Give me more. Barrington Levy.
Who versus Ninja Man on stage back in the 90s?
Oh, Supercat.
Yeah, boop boop. Sing a song with Nicki Minaj.
Egyptian.
There you go. Start the helicopter. Start the helicopter.
No, pass.
No, oh my God, that was so easy. Pass. Her sister sing from the big show in America. Yeah, that one. No, you're not gonna know this. No, pass. I don't know. Yeah, pass. No,
What
I
the
don't think
hell?
you're gonna know. I don't think you're gonna
What? Come on.
You put incorrect in the big Marley, the one of the
Danielle.
Mr. the words. Sorry guys, I failed.
Oh.
It shows that she got 5 right. You actually got only like 3 right. Don't make that
No.
fool you. You got like 3 right.
Why?
Yeah, cause you kept pressing pass.
Oh God. Okay.
So we're going to try it on my ends now, guys.
He's a selector. He's always here. His last name is a cigarette.
Tony Mataran.
Yeah. Oh no. Come on, please. He's in a song with Steph London.
Oh, Red Rat.
Yeah. You was one of your favorite artists a while now. Him in the same song with Steph London.
Alkaline.
Yeah. The biggest dancehall artist, one of.
Sean Paul.
Him in jail.
Him in jail. Oh, Buju.
No,
not
he's
Buju.
in
Sorry.
jail. He's in jail.
Oh, Vibes Cartel. Boom.
Future.
Oh
Oh my God. Future.
Next.
Oh my God. He just come out of jail.
Buju.
Yeah. He's an animal.
What? Elephant man.
No, tiger.
Yeah, we got 6 guys. You know, Chaddy is like general.
I was the best.
I am the general.
I was the best. Vibes Cartel.
No, which one was the one that I passed on?
Which one?
Which one was the one I passed on? And you said
Future, Fambo.
Oh, but you're not supposed to say Future Fambo?
That wasn't Future, wasn't there.
Oh, you just said Fambo.
Fambo
Oh,
was
okay. Yeah,
Guys, I was the best.
right.
I was the best. Comment down below if Danielle was the best.
Yeah, okay. Okay.
Okay, ready?
Yeah, we're gonna play one more with Danielle, with dancehall artist and see if she can get it right. Boop. Go so. Alright. You got this.
Yeah.
Pass.
What?
Pass.
What, Chad?
I went to high school with him. He won Rising Star.
I don't know. Pass.
Jesus Christ. Don't deny it.
Oh my God, what's his name?
Don't deny it.
Potential Kid.
No! Don't deny it. The nasty song.
I don't know who sing it.
Pass. That was Gage. My favorite artist.
What?
My favorite artist.
Mavado.
No. Favorite artist. Unstoppable.
Oh, Vibes Cartel?
No. Unstoppable. Who always say unstoppable?
Charlotte Blacks.
Yes. Go Gwen. This is what we heard.
Oh.
This is what we heard. Time it up. You to read.
Oh my god, I knew that.
Don't it.
I thought that was
I didn't want. No, that's the gauge.
Oh.
That's so off.
Okay, we failed.
We failed. We're gonna do another category right now, guys.
Yeah.
We're gonna play food because you know Danielle's an expert at eating, so we're gonna
I can
see.
get this one right.
Yeah, we're gonna see how she can get these
Okay,
right.
guys. Ready?
5. We're trying to get 5. Ready? Place on the forehead. Here we go. Old time bush them. You take the bush.
Seriously?
Yeah, go. Boom. Yam.
Banana.
No, yam. What you eat with yam, banana?
Saltfish.
What you eat? Yam, banana, not
Dumpling.
salt. No, keep going. Yam,
Sweet potato.
no, pass. When the ice cream man come now, what you call him?
Fudgy.
Yeah. Goat soup.
Manish water.
There you go. Pass. That's so common. Alright. Rice and peas, but not rice and peas. What it is?
Bungo peas.
No, regular.
Rice and peas?
No, regular.
Pass. Just go.
When you were in high school, it was cost $5.
Patty?
No, $5? Patty cost $5? Really?
Bag juice?
Bag juice. You're too late. Time up. How much you get? You'd have got 4.
4, guys.
Yeah. Rice and peas, they had white rice. Okay. Remember, I'm the general at this, guys. Just let you guys know.
What? They passed that one. Rum. What kind
Cream.
of rum? No, what? The brand. Rum.
Albertan.
Yeah. You sell this at fair. The sweet. And you go like this in the thing.
Cotton candy.
Yeah. We eat it yesterday with rice and peas and chicken. Aside.
Curry goat.
No, it's a side that we got yesterday.
Plantain.
Yeah. It smell and it come off of a tree. It's like a fruit, but it come off
Thinking toe.
yeah. It's a pastry that we eat here with cheese. Spanish people always make it. It's a pastry. Guava. Fuck it. No, you
Oh, sorry. Yeah, that's fine.
We're gonna get this yesterday. Curry goat and then
Oxtail.
Yeah. It's a soda, but it's like when you
Bigger soda?
Yeah.
But you just said bigger.
Time's up.
Alright.
Okay,
I think we got what?
Like
6. 6. Actually 6 because
Oh.
I kind of went forward 1.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, so this was really fun. You guys can try this at home. Just download the app.
Yeah, go download the app right now. I'm giving free promo here,
Yeah.
guys. We're really giving free
But
promo.
it's a fun
'cause
game.
This game is actually fun right now.
Especially if you're Jamaican and you know these things.
Yeah, not
or-
even you're Jamaican.
if
If
you're
you're
Caribbean,
yeah,
then
if
you
you're
know these
Caribbean,
things.
you probably know this. And
Or you probably call these things different words.
whoever made this app, hit us up right now, cause yeah, we're giving you a free promo. But the app is really good. I must
it's a
say.
good app.
Yeah, we might do a part 2 of this. We might do with somebody else. If you guys want to see a part 2, we can go against somebody,
We
a
can go
couple,
team up,
or somebody else right now. We need enough comment down below part 2 right now, cause this was actually fun. I feel like we do it again.
I
So
know.
smash the like button right now. We're gonna do notification shout out time.
Okay, first notification shout out goes to Kia Hippolyte.
Big up your damn self. We're gonna go right here.
Second notification shout out goes to Candice Gardner.
Big up your damn self. We're gonna go right over here. The third notification shout out goes to
Shani.
Shanae. Big up your damn self. We're gonna go right here. Thank you guys for your love and support. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. We enjoyed it a lot. This video
Yeah,
felt
this was
like
fun.
it was really fun. And
We should do it again because there's so many more categories that we can
many categories. So just hit us up. Let us know what you want to do. We can do a part 2 when we can go against a couple, or we can go against anybody right now. Cause you know we can dust them. Me can dust
I am
them.
the best.
Daniel's not the best. I am the best.
when I have the guessing.
Okay. Alright, thank you guys for your love and support. We're gonna say thank you. And see you guys mañana. Sayonara. Peace out, guys. Love you guys.